This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French appellation that is also a town in the southwestern part of France, not far off, about an hour drive from Bordeaux. Buzet also makes, like Bordeaux, mainly red wines, also some rosé wines with the same grape variety as in Bordeaux, cabernet Sauvignon, cabernet Franc, and a bit of Merlot. We are looking at how to pronounce the name Buzet. So the T at the end of Buzet is silent, as is often the case, but it does mean that instead of saying Buz, you have to pronounce the E like a E. So Buzet, Buzet, Buzet. The wines from Buzet do not say Buzet, but rather Buzet. The wines from Buzet, the top producer in Buzet, I mean the biggest, is definitely the cooperative winery there. They produce most of the wines from Buzet. Decent, affordable wines made from Buzet in the southwestern part of France. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.